Welcome to Guided Imagery with Jacob. Let us begin. And invite your body to come to a relaxed position, allowing your spine to be straight up through the crown of your head, letting your body rest right where you are. Whether you're sitting up or lying back, invite your jaw to relax. Your eyes open or closed, and focus on your breath. Each exhale is a natural letting go. Tune into your relaxation and allow yourself to settle down a little more with every exhalation. Give your attention to your breath. Let your abdominals extend and withdraw with each breath. Now through the nose, take a long breath in for 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. And through your mouth, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold. Inhale. 4, 3, 2, 1, hold, and exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And continue this breath pattern for as long as you like. But feel the temperature of your breath moving in and out. Notice your chest and abdominals rising as your ribs gently press against where your body lies. Let your body find itself resting perfectly right where you are. Visualize yourself in a peaceful place, a land where you feel calm and safe. Maybe it's somewhere you've been or somewhere you'd like to go. Perhaps a beautiful beach, a mountaintop close to the clouds, or a gentle forest stream. As you look up, notice the sun, the blue sky, the fluffy clouds floating by, with a soft breeze touching your skin. Feel and visualize the sun. Invite the sun over your body. Draw the warmth into your right hip. Guide it down the leg to the knee, ankle, the sole of your foot. See the sun shining through your toes, leaving your entire right side relaxed and open. Now, visualize the sun up high again. Invite the warmth into your left hip, guiding the sunlight down the leg, knee, ankle, the sole of the foot, and see the sun shining through your toes, your left side feeling fully at ease. With each passing sweep of sunlight, let go of any stress and welcome in health, healing, happiness, and vitality. Feel the warmth of the sun over the entirety of you. Now let's invite the sun into your right shoulder, letting the warmth flow into your neck, to your elbow, wrist, the palm of your hand, and see the sunlight shining through your thumb and fingertips. Breathe. Invite the sun back to the sky again. Feel the sunshine over your left shoulder, sending a warmth into your neck, your elbow, wrist, the palm of your hand. See the sun shining through your thumb and fingertips. Breathe in, hold, let go. Exhale, feeling completely at ease. Invite the sun now over the forehead. Feel warmth across your forehead, the bridge of your nose, relaxing your eyes, lips, jaw, your ears, the back of your head, and into your throat. And breathe. Being at peace, invite the sun to the center of you, your sternum, your heart space. Feel the warmth move into your heart, lungs, stomach, and gently guide this healing feeling to any spaces within you that you have not yet felt the sun's warmth. Breathe, letting your body bask in the sun, being at peace. Now, use your inner eyes. See the sky. Watch the clouds floating high above as they begin changing from white to soft gray. Feel the wind become slightly stronger. Hear it moving through the trees as if speaking directly to you, reminding you to relax even more. Notice as the clouds begin to let go, and you feel a gentle sprinkle of rain landing on your toes, hands, and lightly across your face. Feel whatever tension remains is being washed away with each tiny droplet dancing across your skin. The rain becomes briefly heavier, whispering, "Let me wash your stress completely away." And it does. The rain subsides just as quickly as it arrived, leaving you refreshed, healthy, healed, happy, and full of vitality. Now, feel the clarity and the calm within you. Notice how this peacefulness, this peaceful state sharpens your focus. Your goals become clearer. Your motivation gently lifting from within. With this renewed energy, remind yourself that progress comes from presence, and burnout fades when you return to what nourishes you. You are centered. You are focused and capable. Your eye is on the prize. Not through pressure, but through calm confidence and steady intention. And as we gently wiggle our toes and fingers, invite a small smile to your face to let your body know you've accomplished good work on the inside. And when you're ready, opening your eyes, maybe turning the head a little left and right, return to the present moment with one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, knowing you can return to this place anytime you choose. Be good to yourself. You deserve it. And thanks for joining.